Welcome to 207 Eagle Park Drive. This lovely 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. The covered front porch, 2-car garage, fenced backyard, laminate hardwood flooring inside, and granite countertops in the kitchen and bathrooms. It's located in the Eagle Park neighborhood in Northeast Columbia, near Forest Acres, convenient to I-77 and Fort Jackson. So we're going to take a look inside now. You notice outside the front yard, and saw the 2-car garage there, stone accents on the outside. As you step into the home in the foyer here, you can see nice high ceilings in the foyer. You have a window there. The laminate hardwood flooring, or I believe this is laminated vinyl plank flooring, but it looks like hardwood, so this is throughout most of the downstairs. So you can see the stairs going to the second level here. In the living room, you have a nice open concept main living area, open to the dining area and the kitchen as well. You can see the kitchen has a counter bar. You have a ceiling fan there and some windows letting in some natural light. On this side, we have your guest bathroom or half bath. You have a pedestal sink in there and commode. Let's take a quick look out back before we take a look at the kitchen. So you can see the windows in here as well. Sliding glass door lets you out to the backyard. You have a patio. Backyard is fenced. And the kitchen is a galley style, granite countertops, dark wood cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. There's a dishwasher, smooth top electric range, built-in microwave, and French door refrigerator here as well. Good cabinet space also. And then you have just a storage closet here on the left side. On the right, pantry for some extra food storage, and then this door accesses your 2-car garage. See, I do have a vehicle parking there right now. It is a sort of medium-sized SUV or small SUV, so it gives you a sense of the size of the garage. And you also do have your automatic water shut off, or excuse me, not automatic, but your water shut off for the home there as well. Now we'll take a look upstairs. So off the landing up here, you do have a nice sort of bonus sitting area that you can use also. Could be some office space or just sitting area, extra living space as well, but nice and open. You have a couple windows in here, and then all of your bedrooms and baths are off of it. So first on this side is your master. And actually this is your master. So you have a ceiling fan in here, 2 windows looking out over the backyard. Awesome closet in here. You have a window. It's a giant walk-in, some shelving behind the door here as well. This is one of those ones you can have space to put a little bit of furniture. So if you wanted to put a sort of a tall chest of drawers or a dresser or something in there, you could. En-suite bathroom, again the granite countertops, double sinks there. You have a shower and tub in here, linen closet, and then private water closet or room for the commode as well. And then on the way to the other 2 bedrooms, on the left here is your laundry room. You do have a full door that closes that off. Can accommodate full-size washer and dryer, has a shelf above. And then you have your second full bathroom, granite in here also. Shower and tub similar to the master. And then last but not least, your 2 final bedrooms, 2 windows in this one. And both the second and third bedrooms are facing the front of the house. You can see the closet on the opposite side there. And you do have doors that swing open instead of bifolds that slide, which are a lot better. So those do tend to come off track pretty easily. And last but not least, your 3rd bedroom here. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address is 207 Eagle Park Drive, and right sort of at the edge of Northeast Columbia and the Forest Acres or Forest Lake area. So you can find out more information on this home by giving us a call at 803-407-8522, or you can visit us at turnerproperties.com.